Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to set roaming assistant on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to phone application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in phone, go to 3 dot on the right side on your screen. Okay, tap this. And the pop-up will show. Okay, go to settings. In settings, okay, below, you can see the other call settings. Okay, tap this. Here in other call settings, okay, you can see the roaming assistance. Okay, the roaming assistant is set and to automatically add the country region code when calling people you called before. So you can change it or set the roaming assistant by tap this. And you can see the option here. Okay, roaming assistant help you call people at home while you're traveling abroad. So there are 3 options here. Okay, the roaming assistant is set and to automatically add the country region code when calling people you called before. So you can change it into always call country region you located in. And also you can set into ask for each call. So I decide to change into ask for each call. So okay guys, that's it. Okay, so go back and the roaming assistant is set into ask for each call. So okay guys, we have successfully set roaming assistant on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.